Okay, it is Friday, March the 20th, 2015, and I was just up in my room doing some stuff on my computer, and I heard the downstairs furnace kick on. Yeah, it was just, I guess it was Monday and Tuesday. We had this big heat wave come through. I had to turn the York central air conditioner on for the upstairs. There's the furnace that's matched up to it. We switched it back to heat as well. And that was the blower. But yeah, I got a couple of videos during that heat wave. I got a video of I got a video of two York, dual zone York air conditioners running in cool mode, obviously. And, first startup of the, York central air conditioner in 2015. And a few days later, what do you know, I'm getting a video of the furnace running. But yeah, this is going to be the last video of it, of both of these furnaces until, I guess, probably November next, I don't know. I'm guessing November, maybe October. It was November last year, it's like November 1st. Yeah, it already shut off. Sure wasn't on for very long. There's the gas line. There's the flue pipe. Here's all the duct work. There's a strange noise. I keep stepping on that. It's cold up here, dude. It's like, I didn't think it was that cold outside. I thought it was like, 50, I think it's 50 something degrees. But, yeah. Anyways. I guess since there's not much more to see, I guess over and out. I guess we'll wait for the blower to shut off.